Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel, Let's Talk Stocks. Just a quick video. NIO have announced their June figures for deliveries. So if I scroll down here, you can see they delivered 8,083 vehicles in June 2021, which is an increase of 116.1% year over year. So compared to June in 2020, which is a huge growth, over 100% growth. The company is over doubling every single year, which is massive. That means that NIO delivered 21,896 vehicles in the 3 months ending June 2021, which is again an increase of 111.9% year over year. And you can see the deliveries in total for ES8, ES6 and EC6 as of June 30th, 2021 has reached 117,597. So some absolute huge figures there. Really great numbers, especially considering that the chip shortage isn't fully over yet. I'll leave the rest of the links to this in the description below so you can have a read through. But great result. If I flick over now to have a quick look at the charts, you can see we finished yesterday, we closed at $53.20 a share, which is nice to see us back in the 50s again. If I go to the week view, you can see how much it's shot up the last few days. This sleeping giant is really coming awake now. You can see we started the week at around 45 and we're already up nearly $10 a share. So massive growth. Starting to build some support as well now, which is great to see on the charts. If we go to the month, you can just see how much we're kind of gathering momentum again now. FOMO will start kicking in for people that didn't get in already. People that didn't buy at the 30s will start realising they need to start jumping in. So in my opinion, it's still a great company to invest in and it's still going to be a great long-term investment. Thanks very much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you still own NIO, if you've been adding or if you sold, and I'll see you in the next video.